Are you a factory owner seeking the perfect machine for your roofing production? Let's explore the pros and cons of the one double-layer machine with two separate machines. Option 1. Two separate machine. Pros of two separate machines. Run each process independently. Be more effective for high-demand seasons. Not effective if one machine needs maintenance. Cons of two separate machines. Need more space in your factory. More expensive than one double-layer machine. Option 2. One double-layer machine. Pros of one double-layer machine. Save space. Need space for only one machine. Cost effective, save up to 15 to 20%, compared to two separate machines. Suitable for factories need one type of roofing more than the other. Cons of one double-layer machine. Only operate one type of roofing at a time. Affect both types of roof if the machine needs maintenance. Now that you know the differences, make an informed decision and take your roofing production to new heights. Contact us now.